Hakasin kebeneng kong kanong ilam jong kesengsan pertai All India Trinamool Congress ka Shrimati Mamata Banerjee kalawan poi hajela Meghalaya. Kabalong ro nak benta kejing penkre ban yakonia ke election MLA keban Salong House nemo bansawan. Hagane kesini lapin yang sumbahaya ke Shrimati Mamata Banerjee dagi pajba nong kersian jong keseng TMC ke jela naduna Shillong Airport kabadan Hamroy Hariboy District. Haga jing idolang jong kinong ilam keseng TMC ke jela bat kiriu pokmat ke jela na keseng Trinamool Congress. Kumka dak jong jing pedang sumbahaya ke Shrimati Mamata Banerjee hajela Meghalaya lapan kup dak janjren dia bar kejing ra ya kilama keseng TMC kum kejing pedang burom.
Regarding her visit to the state.
We, the Meghalaya TMC, across all rank and file, are extremely enthusiastic to receive our chairperson, Srimati Mamata today, and we look forward to addressing our executive. Rather, the leaders coming from every nook and corner of the state, representing the grassroots leaders. So we are extremely enthusiastic about this and we'll be welcoming her.
Well,
Thank
sir.
you.